Welcome to the Arduino tutorial on Introduction to Arduino. In this tutorial, we will learn about the Arduino device, feature of Arduino, component of Arduino board, microcontroller, and installation of Arduino IDE on Windows operating system. To record this tutorial, I am using Arduino Uno board, Windows operating system, and Arduino IDE. To follow this tutorial, you must have the basic knowledge of electronics. What is development board? It is a printed circuit board which is designed to facilitate work with the particular microcontroller. Typical component it will include are power circuit, programming interface, basic input, usually the button and the LEDs, and it also includes the I/O pin. This is the Arduino board. The Arduino Uno board is one of the popular variant of Arduino project. It contains 8 Mega 328 microcontroller, digital input and output pin, analog input pin, and USB power adapter. USB power adapter can be used for programming the board. This is microcontroller. It can be found in many electronic devices from portable music to washing machine and car. So what is microcontroller? A microcontroller is a mini computer. It contains a CPU, central processing unit, memory, system clock, and the other peripheral. Microcontroller is designed to perform only one task and execute one specific application at a time. We will see a few examples of microcontroller where it is used. It is used in a printer, car, traffic signal, motion detector. Next, we will see the some of the feature of Arduino. Arduino IDE is an open source software. It is easy to write code and upload it to the physical board. It is very easy to learn programming language with its inbuilt function. It runs on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. This software can be used with any Arduino board. Next, we will see the installation of Arduino IDE. Open the web browser, go to the arduino.cc website. Here in this website, you can see the software section. Go there. You can find many download options. We will go for the Windows Win 7. You will find this page. Go to just download. Your software is ready. Open the folder. You will find the file. Double click on the file and setup will install automatically. Click on I agree. It will install the all remaining driver. So allow to install the remaining driver. Click on the install. Whatever required driver it will install automatically. Once it install all the driver, close it and check that your Arduino IDE could open or not. Search your application, open it, allow to use the network access. Here you can open and see the view. Click on the board, you will find the Arduino Uno board. Click and check for the port. Now, if your system has already driver installed, then it will show the connected port number. But if the port is not visible, then you need to install driver from the external resources. Here you can see the process. To add external driver, write down CH340 driver in Google. It will divert you to the website. So click on the first website. It will open and show you the download driver panel. Click and download. Go to the folder. Extract the zip file and you will get the installation file. Double click on it. Give the required install procedure. So now your driver is installed and go to the tool port and check the port number. So this is how you can install the driver externally. Now we can see the Arduino IDE window. I have connected Arduino to the USB part of my computer. Let us check the connection. Click on the tool menu that shows that Arduino Uno board is already selected. In the port menu, we can see a port number. Now let me close the Arduino IDE. Click on a file and close. This brings us to end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learn about the Arduino device, feature of Arduino, component and Arduino board, microcontroller and installation of Arduino IDE on Windows operating system. Do you have any question in this tutorial? Then please contact us through the given contact detail. Thank you.